Are you tired of building Mother's Day emails from scratch while competitors get theirs out first? Learn to launch a Klaviyo campaign from a ready-made template in under 4 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find Klaviyo's built-in holiday templates, then how to preview and activate one for your own campaign. Click on Content. Then, click on Templates to open up the template area. Now, look for the Seasons and Holidays dropdown and click on it. And from there, choose Mother's Day to see those templates. Choose a template. Then, click on that template to open it up. Once it's open, click the Use Template button to load it into the editor. Start editing. Make it yours. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.